चलो.
Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today our topic is tenses. I'm telling you about tenses. Today our topic is tenses. If you want to discuss something about tenses, first of all we have to discuss about the subject, then which form of verb we have to use, and then object. Is it clear? Now, tenses are the form of verbs to express the time of an action. Tenses are the form of verbs to express the time of an action. First of all, we will discuss about simple present, simple past, and simple future tense. Here, if you look at carefully, in simple present tense, we use first form of verb. In simple past, we use second form of verb. And in simple future, we use first form of verb. Is it clear? He eats an apple. He, she, it, Ali, object name. It may be computer, car, cat, whatever the object is. We use first form of verb plus s or es. Is it clear? If you have these pronouns or noun or something like computer, car, or bird, parrot, or cat, animal, then we use does not if we want to make a positive sentence into negative. He eats an apple. Here we use s, but in negative sentences we remove the s and here we use does not. Look at this form of verb. Here there is no s. Again, if you want to make it interrogative, then does will become in the start of the sentence. Does he eat an apple? Is it clear? Now come to the past tense. Here we use second form of verb. Look at the forms of verbs. I have highlighted these forms of verbs here. He ate an apple. Here second form of verb is used. Again, look at this sentence. When we make it negative, he did not eat. When we use did, then ate will become eat. He did not eat an apple. When we make it as an interrogative sentence, did he, then did will become in the start of the sentence. Then did he eat an apple? Is it clear? Now look at these words. Pronouns they, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. We use with these pronouns or nouns did not plus first form of verb. Always remember this thing that whenever you use did, then first form of verb is used in past tense. Is it clear? Now come to the future tense. Simple future tense. Here again we used first form of verb. He will eat an apple. Here we use helping verb will to show the future tense. He will not eat an apple. This is a very simple sentence, tense because first form of verb is used in positive, in negative, and in interrogative sentences. Is it clear? Again, look at these pronouns. I, we, he, she, it, you, they, whatever pronouns you have, you just have to use first form of verb plus will with them to make the future sentences. Is it clear? Now, come here. Look at these pronouns I, we, you, they. If you have these pronouns, when you are going to change it into negative, you use do not. I eat an apple. I do not eat an apple. Do I eat an apple? Is it clear? Always use do if you have plurals like this. I, we, you, they. These are called first person and second persons. So only with third person singulars you always use s or es with verb. Is it clear, students? Now come to the past tense. Again here I ate an apple. We have changed here pronoun Like I, we use second form of verb, but when we use did not to make it negative, we use eat first form of verb. When we change this sentence into interrogative, we used it in the beginning, and here again we use eat. Is it clear? Now for future, the same action has been done to complete these sentences. Eat, will eat, I will not eat an apple, will I eat an apple. Is it clear? Now look at these things which I have mentioned here to tell you that when we use present, simple past, or simple future, simple present tense always shows actions that happen regularly or facts. Like when you tell someone that she goes to school every day, I go to school every day, or facts. Facts mean universal truth. The sun rises in the east. When we talk about universal truth or facts, then we use always present, simple present tense. Is it clear? In the same way, actions that happened in the past, these are discussed in past tense. Is it clear? Actions that will happen in the future are discussed in future tense. Is it clear? I will visit my grandma tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. I think you have learned all these things which I have taught you. Allah Hafiz.